Welcome back to the channel. What happens when a bass fishing guide takes his family out on a salty day for a family adventure? Stay tuned. You're about to find out.
Oh, I got a big one.
You got a fish?
Already? That's a snook.
A snook?
I mean, it's a big one. That's a shark. It's a big one.
Oh no.
Pretty sure it's a snook.
Get it, Daddy?
A monster, too.
It gave a big splash.
Big old snook, everybody.
Oh
This
yeah.
thing is giant. He's pulling real hard.
You can do it.
Throwing it on bait caster equipment. 20-pound test line. Having to free spool them a little bit. They got a lot of power. I don't trust my drag 100% when I'm using bait caster.
You can do it, Daddy, with that fishing pole.
With that fishing pole. Daddy doing a good job.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Did you see the fish?
Yeah.
That's why I like to get salty. Bass fishing is fun, but when you do it every day, throwing a little change up in it, going salty is a lot of fun.
Daddy's about to bring him in.
Wow! Look how big that thing is!
So heavy, it's hard to hold them. Beast of a snook right there.
It's the biggest snook ever!
Choke that Z-Man swim bait. So we're out here on the Nature Coast, on Florida's west coast. I got the family out here with me today. We're in the spoils area between Yankeetown and Crystal River. We're gonna put on a little family festival. Show you guys around what there is to do out here. Come here, buddy. It's my little boy. Sit right here, bud. Come here, Aria. This is Ronan. This is Aria. My beautiful wife. We're gonna try to show you guys what's up today. Stay tuned. Let's go put this thing back. Man, look at that. That thing is.
That's huge.
That thing is every bit of. That's about a 32-inch snook. Get her back in there. You see this right here? I don't know if you can see all that submerged island right here. The tide's up a little bit. When that tide goes down, this will all get exposed, and we're gonna walk on some of these islands and explore. You can see in the distance the guys on the island, but we are gonna walk and explore some of this once that water goes down with the tide. Till then, we're just gonna fish in these areas where you see a lot of bait and bird activity. Right now, the bait's up on the surface and the fish are just corralling them. So, trying to keep them honest by throwing a little swim bait around. That Z-Man diesel shad is an amazing bait out here on the salt.
You got one?
You got one?
It's a flounder.
Ooh, you got a flounder?
Yeah, it's a flounder.
You sure you don't want to take something home and fillet it and put it in the...
Whoa!
Sure?
Nope.
It's good to have fresh fish in the freezer.
Flounder.
Hold on tight.
Bye-bye, buddy.
Bye. So weird how flounders
It's that, swimming that diesel minnow from Z-Man. I think it's a great saltwater bait. You can see right there, there's a bunch of bait popping and fish activity right here. Right in this eddy, there's a current coming around this corner, and they're set up in this break.
Before we go forward, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and you can keep up with all the new content we put out on a weekly basis.
like another snook, but I think it's a ladyfish.
You caught one of those before, right? Didn't we see that?
What?
Didn't we see one of those before?
Yeah. Oh, it's a small snook.
Daddy got baby snook.
Baby snook.
Daddy got baby snook.
How aggressive that thing is. I don't know if you saw that thing jump. It acts just like a largemouth bass. That's a largemouth bass on steroids right there. That's a lot of fun. Yeah, you can. One of the cool things about being out here is exploring these islands. It'll cool you off, and it's a pretty fun adventure. So let's jump in. Come on, guys.
Good idea when you're out here exploring the islands. Protect your feet. Stop by Walmart and get a cheap pair of these. They will save your feet.
Take the time to keep the kids engaged. Mix up the activities during the day. Jump in the water to cool off. Explore the islands. As fishermen, we all like to cast non-stop, but this way it keeps everyone interested and wanting to come back for more.
Go, row.
Reel it in, row. Other way. There you go. Good job.
I see it too. Did you see it? It's
Turn
yellow.
it, row. Turn it.
Jack-a-ball.
Oh, you got a jack-a-ball.
Go, go, go.
All right, ready to bring him in?
Whoa.
Yay!
What is it, Rose?
It's a jack-a-ball.
It's a small jack-a-ball.
Good job, Ro.
Fishing is all about the adventure. Get your family out there. Take your kids fishing. Enjoy your time out in nature. Until next time, tight line.